Query Builder enables users to visually define queries based on the model of their data. Let's take a look. We can click on Query Builder, and it brings us into a Query Builder UI. There's a place where you can select the class. The class is based off what's in your data model. So let's take an example of finding all the products that are in the sports category. So I'll find products in my list. I'm going to say in category is the relationship, and then select category. And then I need to specify the category of sports and find sports in the list. And then I can run this query. When I run this query, it's going to show me all my products within the sports category. Now let's take it a step further. Let's go back to our Query Builder and let's save this, because this is something that you might want to reuse. So we can click on Save and then give it a name. There we go, Products in Sports Cat. And then you have the ability to add a description if you need more information for the query. And you can also select private or not. So we've saved this. We can also go back to our Stardog Explorer homepage, and now you can see our saved query listed right here. So I can just click from here. This will launch the query so I can start off with this in my canvas. Query Builder can help you build much more meaningful searches than targeting a keyword or instance, though. Let's look at how to build a query for all products purchased after or on January 1st, 2022 from customers that purchased sports items before January 1st, 2022. So I'm going to start off with my product. And then I'm going to say purchased and order. And then that order has a date purchased of January, after or on January 1st. And then that order was purchased by a customer. And then that customer purchased by a new order. That new order purchased a new product. And then that new product is in the category of sports. And then that new order date was purchased, and that was before January 1st. All right. So now we can run this query. Wow, that's a lot of connections. We could simplify the graph by dismissing highly connected instances such as sports and then redraw the graph. But we would still not easily be able to determine those products were purchased after or on January 1st, 2022. So we'll go back to the Query Builder and toggle off Expand Graph Results. And then we're going to rerun it. Now our query results will only include the class instances from our first specified class type. Now we can go back in, and again, if this is something you want to reuse, go back to the Query Builder, save your query, and we're going to create a new one. And then you can write a nice description with the full query that you just wrote. And then you can toggle on private if you just want to use it for your own work, or you can toggle that off to share and then save and run. Good. Let's go back to our home page, and now we can see that query has appeared right here. So I can come in, I can launch it from here. Great. So to summarize, the Query Builder allows you to build out more meaningful queries beyond keyword searches. And also we can access the Query Builder from within the UI and also from the home page. And we can save and reuse these queries and share them out with other people.